In this video, I will be showing how to verify your WordPress website on your Pinterest account. This will get you access to website analytics, and people can know where they can find more of your content. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Settings. Select Claim. Since I have already connected my website, you are seeing my website name with a green tick mark here. This means my site is verified with Pinterest. In your case, you will see a text box to type your website name and a claim button on the right. Similar to this. Type your website name and click the claim button. Now you will see two options. First one is adding a tag into the head section of your site's index HTML file. The other option is to upload an HTML file to your website's root directory. We are using the first option, which is easier. Select this tag and copy it. Now you have to go to your WordPress website's dashboard. There are many plugins available to add an HTML tag to your website's header. You have to install and activate one of them. For that, go to Plugins. Add New. Look for Insert Header and Footer. This is a very good plugin. You can use this one or any other plugin of your choice. You have to install the plugin and activate it. Then go to the plugin settings to insert the HTML tag to the header. One of my already installed plugins has this functionality, so I am directly going to my plugin settings. Paste the tag which you had already copied from Pinterest to the box named Header Scripts. Now save changes. Now go back to Pinterest. Click Next. Submit. Now you can see the message that you will get an email confirmation within 24 hours. But usually it won't take that much. When I refreshed this page after a while, it was already done. This green tick mark near your website's name shows that your site is successfully verified. I got the email also. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe channel and hit the bell for notifications.